Hi there, handbaggers, and welcome to the Duck's Nest. This is the Military Mom, and in this video, I am going to be sharing a Coach unbagging with you, along with a Dooney and Bourke unboxing. So I am not wearing this outfit to church. I am actually filming this on Friday, and this outfit is one that I wore to run errands. So let me just show you really quickly what I have on, and I'm going to start with these slacks. So these are Ponte knit slim leg slacks that I picked up from J. Jill, and I paired the slacks with this checkered cotton shirt. It's not flannel, it's just cotton. And then I have on a fleece vest and a charcoal colored tank top. And for jewelry, I have on a choker that has bling and some teardrop earrings that have a mother of pearl coloring. To round out the ensemble, I have these very comfortable naturalizer booties in what I think they call banana bread. I think that's the actual color. And yeah, you'll notice the heel because you know Military Mom don't do heels. All right, so that is the outfit, and staying true to my commitment to myself to rotate through my entire handbag collection. I carried a bag today that I have not carried before, and it is this Louisa shoulder bag by Dooney Bourke. Very minimal hardware, 4 feet, and this hang tag along with an interior zipper is really the only hardware on this bag, which was a joy to carry. Very lightweight, supple leather. She is an all leather bag. So let me just show you how I have her packed. There's the one zippered pocket that holds my cell phone, and the zippered pocket. I've done a reveal on this bag when I first hatched her, but it is an all leather bag, so the pocket is not a part of the lining. And the ever-present yeah, wristlet. And to give this carry a little bit of zest, I paired it with this Coach Cosmetic case in textile. She has a gold hang tag and trimmed in gold with kiss lock and a really nice pink interior. And because it was raining today, I also, or Louisa also, carried an umbrella. So I had no issues with this bag except one, which was this strap kept falling off my shoulder. However, this strap stayed in place, so it wasn't a total frustration slip. Just, you know, I had to keep repositioning this exterior strap, and of course Louisa easily passes the elbow test. So I am looking forward to carrying Louisa again. All right, so on to the unbagging. This is an item that I picked up from eBay, and it is a Coach piece. And it is a leather cosmetic case, new with tags. And this cosmetic case has decorative stitching on the corner and the bottom. The debossed Coach leatherware, established 1941 there. Metal zipper, hang tag, Nice zipper pull, leather zipper pull. And here's the interior. Nice and clean. Of course, it's new with tags. And this cosmetic case is my favorite cosmetic case silhouette. I have several of these in addition to this newly acquired red one. My original, is that backward? Yeah. My original black one. And then the one in eggplant. And then I have one in this beautiful green color. And they all have the white decorative stitching. Just a very simple silhouette for cosmetic cases. But the leather on these is really supple. And the first one that I picked up, I don't even honestly know why I picked this up, except I was drawn to the simplicity of it along with the size. And when I got it in my hand, I knew I had to have another one. So the second one I purchased was the eggplant, which did not come with the hang tag. All of them have hang tags except the eggplant. But this was a really good price. So this was the second one I picked up. And then the third one is this beautiful green. And then of course my final one is the red. And I think because I have earth tones and brights, I think my collection of these cosmetic cases is complete. These are legacy items. They are not available online or in the boutiques or the outlets. So if you are interested in them, I will leave the style number from the tag on this one in the description box. All right, so moving on to the unboxing. This unboxing has an interesting story. So let me just show you. I started the unboxing process, and this is how the seller packaged the bag. There is bubble wrap in the bag. And interestingly enough, the seller put tissue paper over a styrofoam block, which actually is functional, because if this box were to have sat on a wet porch, the styrofoam would have actually kept the bag from becoming wet and possibly soiled. So I thought that was interesting. All right. So this bag, as I said, is Dooney Bourke, and it is the Kristen tote in Pebble leather, and I'm going to call, yeah, I don't know what to call this color. It's not leaf, it's not grass green. I guess it's seafoam. Seafoam or jade, right? So this Kristen tote is a silhouette that I was not stalking at all. However, when I was on eBay, as I am perpetually, I came across this tote and she caught my eye because of the color. I had never seen a Kristen tote in this color. I've seen it in Florentine, in Chestnut on Anja's channel. I've seen it in Florentine in the beautiful black on Just Sharing Shah's channel. And all of the lighter shades that I have seen were trimmed in different trim. So she caught my eye. I threw her into my watch list. I wasn't really serious about her. She had a $150 price point. So really, it was the color that attracted me to this bag. It wasn't the silhouette. It definitely wasn't the price, because I didn't want to pay $150 for a bag that I really wasn't looking for. what had happened was the seller made me an offer. This bag, like I said, was listed at $150. The seller dropped the price $50. Needless to say, this is the latest hatchling at the Duck's Nest because it came in at a very good price of $100 for a bag that is in immaculate condition. I've tried to show you all that the bottom is clean, the corners, there's no wear on the corners, there's no wear on her handles. She has a magnetic opening and she just opens. As everyone knows, we're all familiar with Kristen. She opens into a huge capacity. I really think without much effort, I could fit my grandson in Kristen. I mean, it's just huge. This is not an SDS. It's not standard Dooney setup because it only has a zippered pocket on one side that is pretty sizable. It doesn't traverse the width of the bag, but it does go all the way to the base of the bag. On the other wall, there's the very small old school cell phone pocket trimmed in the same color leather as the bag, and there is the key keeper in leather, which is also the same color as the bag. So you will see the interior is really clean. Now, other than the color, what attracted me to Kristen, what has always attracted me to Kristen, is her side exterior organization. These pockets, I could tell, were very functional. And when I say very functional, let me just show you what I mean. This cosmetic case is fully packed, and as you can see, the side pockets accommodate both. I probably won't keep my cosmetic case in the side pockets, but for demonstrative purposes, I'm just showing you all how much of a capacity these side pockets have. So more than likely, my phone and my glasses case, or maybe even my keys, I don't know. But I was really happy about the capacity of the side pockets. I have another tote that has side pockets. The pockets on the other tote don't snap. They are drawstring, and those pockets are just as functional as these, and I really enjoy carrying that tote, which I probably should have bought out, but I didn't think about it. It has drawstring pockets, and they are just as large as this, and I love carrying that tote. So I may, even though I wasn't stalking Kristen, I may end up reaching for her more than I thought I would. I really didn't need this color. I just like this color. I have another tote in almost the same color. Almost. Of course, this is signature cotton. And the strap drop on this bag, which is a Davis tassel tote, is much more serious than the strap drop on Kristen. I'm sure that when she's a little more loaded, that she might be easier. But that's one reason why I wasn't attracted to Kristen, because I didn't think that the handles would make for a good elbow experience. Let's put it that way. Yeah, I'm really actually drawn to this bag. And this is sort of a contradiction, because those of you who follow my channel or who drop by occasionally know I am not a big bag carrier. As a matter of fact, in my last video, I featured a bag that I knew that I would not reach for because it was a large bag, but that bag had a satchel silhouette. I don't really like large satchels. This is a shopper slash tote, in my opinion. So, you know, they're supposed to be large. And this bag is. So she's coming in a little collapsed. And I have a fix for that because I have this pillow that I'm pretty sure is going to fill her out if I position it correctly. So yeah, that is going to help her keep her shape. And I really like the feel of this bag. This bag is not heavy. It is about, I'm going to say, the same weight as Louisa. She's really not heavy. I was expecting her to be. So I'm looking around to make sure I haven't forgotten anything. There you have it, handbaggers. The latest hatchling from the Duck's Nest, the Dooney Bourke Kristen tote in Pebble leather with the gold logo plate in the color either Seafoam or Jade. The seller didn't list it and I'm not sure. I think this is Seafoam. So thank you all so much for dropping by, and as always, happy carrying.